Go.
Out now. No.
From where then?
Get her out first. She's running up.
That's because I'm trying to get up into your armpit.
Oh my god! I'm all the way in.
Whoa! That's what she said.
Okay.
Ow!
Yeah, just slide it. This is your fault. Stand up. Stand up.
She did it.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm halfway out. Okay, now push it out. Help Haley, she's no, I'm
Jake,
good.
come
I'll
here.
wait until you get out.
Here,
Okay. Yeah.
here, keep it on her.
Yeah.
You get Donatella.
Ready? Get me out of this.
Ready?
Ow!
How did that hurt? I'm sure that did not hurt more than this. It's red.
Oh my god, stop.
Nope.
No!
She's out. She's out.
Thank you, Kevin.
Wait, Kevin, take.
Oh my god, it's free. I can
That's
do
an
it.
epic fail, number 1.
Me, give me back my shoes. Haley. Hi. Oh shit, my phone. No. Ow! She slapped me. That bitch.
That's a bad word.
Ow. Okay, I can get out. Wait.
There, kid. Can she get out?
No.
Here, here, keep it. Here, no, here, hold it.
Yeah. Here. Push up. Underneath.
I can't put my leg up. Use Kevin to do it. Kevin's stronger than you, Jake. No offense.
Bullshit. Okay. This is gonna hurt her because.
No.
Stay here. Here, hold it. You all right? It won't actually hurt you.
Okay. Here. I'm gonna go under your armpit. You guys are like.
Really, really, really dumb.
You guys like. Do you want to get out or not?
I do.
Okay.
It's gonna hurt.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It hurt before.
That's because you were stuck all the way.
No.
You guys are.
Jay, come here.
The thing is.
Here, record it.
Yeah, I'll record because she doesn't trust me.
Kevin just goes at it. And I meant it that way. Ooh.
Thank you. Oh my god.
See,
Thank you.
she's lucky.
I'm free.
She trusts you more than she trusts me. She trusts you more.